Hi guys, this is how to find any Instagram profile URL, whether it's yours or someone else's profile. So all you need is to open Instagram and find the profile you want to get the link from. Let's say I want to get my link, and now you need to write down your username. Then go to any application where you can type text, let's say WhatsApp. Let's say I want to send my profile link, and just type in the following: instagram.com/JimBeam. You can miss this HTTPS. Here you can remove it. Just type in like this, because username is actually part of any Instagram link. Now just send this link and tap on that. It takes you to your profile because this is a link. Another way is tap on share profile and copy your link from here. Now you can paste this link anywhere. If you need to copy somebody else's profile link, you need to open a profile. Let's say people, and wait for a while. Now you don't have the share profile button over here, but you can find it in this three dots menu. Share this profile. Now just go to share to WhatsApp, and the profile is shared. That's pretty it, guys. I hope this was helpful. Subscribe to the channel, hit the like button, and be awesome. Bye.